Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. Another tutorial video that we show all of our new employees so we train to become professional painters as well as drywall repair. This is our second video of how we repair a large hole in drywall that either a broom handle went through, a fist, a head, a piece of furniture. A lot of different things happen sometimes. So this is our first coat. It was actually a mesh square that had a very thin piece of metal in it. And if you remember, we had a hole about the size where you could put 3 fingers inside, and we went ahead and covered that with this mesh piece of tape here that had the metal, and we put 1 coat of joint compound over it. We did use what we call an 8-inch knife. Here's the different widths that we're going to use on this one. The reason we used the 8-inch for the first coat is that was just a little bit wider than our patch. So that was basically a perfect width to use. Now for our second coat, we're just going to go up 2 inches in width. So we're going to go to a 10-inch drywall knife. We already have some quickset joint compound mixed up and ready here. It's a 45-minute joint compound. We're going to go ahead and get our second coat on this for you, and then we'll have another video on third coating, which is our final coat, and then the final sand. Sometimes if you had some larger ridges, you can go ahead and knock those down a little bit. We do not like to sand in between coats. As we're going ahead and putting on our second coat, I'm okay going heavy. I do not like to go light coats at first. We're going to go ahead and get that completely covered. Notice I'm laying my 10-inch drywall knife down. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit off so that I avoid pinholes, which are little bubbles that form if you're too heavy with your joint compound. And notice my edges here, how they're nice and flush. I don't have a lot of ridges and things lifted up. And I stop right there. Notice I come into my pan every swipe as I'm taking a little bit more of that compound off. Now on this, you now can't see the actual mesh here showing through or the patch. So we're going to leave it right there. We come out always further than we did on the first coat. And of course our third coat will come out further yet using a 12-inch knife. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.